Hello everyone, this is Reshmi Chakraborty from the New Indian Express, and today we have Falguni and Shreepika with us. So please tell us, how did the collaboration happen with Swadesh? It is so organic. One day we just gone to meet Mrs. Ambani, and we were doing the show at India Culture Week, and we wanted to do a full India inspired theme, and we were like, let's do something with Swadesh, because Swadesh is so India inspired, the way they promote the crafts and the handlooms, textiles, everything. So we asked Mrs. Ambani that we'd like to do something with Swadesh. What do you think about that? And then that minute she called up Mr. Pradeep, and she was like, you have to do something with Shreepika and Falguni. They're very limited edition, craft inspired collection. So, and it just happened. And then, we just got into it and went with the flow, but it was so beautiful. We created some amazing, beautiful artistic pieces which are inspired by Kanchipuram saris and then Banarasi and chicken curries. We've done like a whole range of beautiful Indian textiles, and we're so excited about it to show it to Hyderabad. Lovely. So, was there any particular brief that was given for his capsule collection?
No, I think so that when you talk about Indian crafts and textiles, it comes with so many designs by itself. There is already peacocks, there's already lotuses, there's already this thing. It's just a way of how Falguni and myself see that we can do the same thing in a different way.
Right. So, how many collections or how many pieces do we see in this? So we've done a collection of say 20 pieces, which have some beautiful dupattas and full sari looks and lehengas, Banarasi lehengas, and then we've done then sherwanis.
So we've done it in a very modern approach of how you could dress it up, dress it down, and wear it as the entire look. Because I think when you see textiles by itself, people have a very different perception about textiles. It's the root and it's the main centerpiece of every design, I think so. So we just shown how we can wear it in different ways.
Right. And on the personal level, you have launched your fashion store in Hyderabad a couple of years back. So how is it going since then? I think Hyderabad is an amazing market, and it's very receptive to Indian crafts and modern, sort of approach. So it's a great culmination of both, and I feel like with these, limited edition pieces which are so rich in craft, I think it will be a different, exciting approach for everyone.
And also as a brand, we do promote artisans and their crafts. And I think it's a good way when two people from Hyderabad are doing things together. It's a great collaboration.
Right. So when we talk about Falguni and Peacock as a brand, it is more of a contemporary, avant-garde, couture thing. And when we talk about Swadesh, it's more of a traditional sort of blend. So how did all work together, the whole amalgamation of this? So this is the first time we are doing really detailed textiles, and what better way to do it when Swadesh is championing this initiative. So I think the whole of the team has really worked with us and made us understand the details which go. I mean, it looks like a beautiful sari, but the amount of work that has gone into it, and the craftsmen, the artisans have worked so hard on it, and we've done a real study.
I think when you're talking about arts and crafts, it's all done with hand, and those things take time. It's not just like
it's a labor of love.
It's a labor of love for things. And I think that when you put design and you put them together, I think the outcome is very different. And I think we are very happy with what knowledge that we had and we started to what we started to today. I think we've grown with thankfully to the Swadesh team who's actually handled us through the entire thing. So we give a lot of credit to Swadesh for doing this, And after that, our love for textiles and our love for crafts has got even more. And we have a lot more respect for that.
So how much time did it take for you guys to come up with this collection?
About 2.5 months. That's started from design. That's why I'm saying that, we all were working 24/7, day, night,
Especially
And-
the Swadesh team. They were very mental with us. Always say, I need pink color. Like, okay, I'll get back to you.
No, but I think, the amount of hard work that's gone into it because it was from the scratch. So
You may
we
just see
created
like
the
small
artwork.
10 pieces or 15 pieces, but the work that is gone behind it.
Yeah. The behind the scene work
Yeah,
is
it has been,
good.
and we are very excited because we're launching a more ready-to-wear line now in Swadesh, where it's going to be more accessible for everyone, and it's going to be exciting to see what we had envisioned in our Rang Mahal collection. Go down to something which is more easier to wear, and it's not like couture.
right. So we have seen your collections down the years with some signature looks. So how did all these signature looks come up, and what else did you see in it?
When we decided to do this, we
We
didn't want to
wanted-
lose the sense
Yes,
of
that's
Falguni Shane peacock,
Right, right.
but we still wanted to have the tradition and the craft in it.
And we
that
didn't
was
want to
a-
lose that also.
Yeah, so that was a perfect sort of a balance getting both.
So how has your, you both work together so well. So how has, both the dynamics influenced, to put it in a very good way, your brand?
I can't tell you how much I love wearing saris, Banarasis or this, and I was actually very excited when we got this.
And I think the most happiest was her mother.
Yeah.
Mother was like, मुझे तो ये gold साड़ी चाहिए, मुझे तो ये pink वाला साड़ी चाहिए. I think they were just waiting for a chance that when we do something with craft and textiles,
So
because every time she looks at साड़ी, इतना heavy कौन पहनेगा? But this time it was the opposite.
Right.
Yeah. So it was very exciting, and we learned a lot.
Yeah. The learning was a lot.
Yeah, the learning was a lot. And the way, the Banarsi Lehenga has the elephant motifs and the lotuses, which is so apt for a wedding function, and it's got the whole beaded blouse of Falguni Shane peacock signature style. So that sort
And
of
then we have a
Falguni.
program in the saris.
Yeah.
So-
So that's
So there is
very
it's
interesting.
like
element to-
a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but at the same time keeping the essence of what it's supposed to be. Not losing
the
the
best of
Indianness.
both the worlds
Yes.
together.
Yes.
Right? So,
But I give a lot
yeah.
of credit to Ambani for this.
Yes,
for
Miss
putting
Ambani
together.
really was like, the way she believed in us and she said, guys, do it. That's what made us feel really good.
Lovely. Where all we can see you guys ahead, like as a brand,
As a brand,
future brands,
I
future collabs.
don't know about that, but I think with us feeding whatever is there on the table and try to make that the best. And I think that as a contemporary designer, working with textiles is like a child in a toy store. Yeah, it's like literally a kid in a toy store. We don't know what to do. So we are in that space right now. We don't know what to do. We can't think ahead right now. We're only thinking this right now. And it's such an enriching experience for us because yes, we all know that we use fabric, but when you have someone making your design into that, I think that changes the
And we have
dynamics of it.
documented the whole process. So I'm going to share those videos with you. We have documented the entire process. It's
Lovely. So when you talk about you don't know what exactly is happening particularly in the near future, but what do you think future of fashion is? And how it is going
of
to
course we know what is happening for us in the future. Okay, so I'll tell you that. So, we're launching 2 stores in Delhi currently. We already have 2 stores in Delhi, one in Emporio and one in Ambawata. We are launching a store in Hamilton, and in Ambawata we are extending it. We are adding the first floor to it. Where
We have a store coming up in Geo
in the Geo World Plaza.
Plaza.
So that is happening, and then we're doing a couple of international shows and international. Yeah,
There's that.
But right now I'm still exploring textiles, like I think the designer of us is waiting, and they're like, can we use this? Can we mix 2 textiles? Can we mix Kanjuram and Banarasi together in one? I don't know, we're trying to think of various
We're
things.
trying to innovate.
Right. So innovation is one part of your
Innovation,
there.
expansion.
all those things are there.
Creation.
What do you think the future of fashion is in a broader perspective?
I think-
generally in DG fashion or metaverse or all those connections.
I think as far as fashion is concerned, I think the world is woken up to India. Not only in textiles and crafts, but also a lot of the Indian designers are showing internationally. And I think there's the bridge is being shortened, I think so. So no longer it is an Indian designer, it's an international designer, I feel so. And I think as far as fashion in India is concerned, I think everyone has become more aware because of social media. Everyone wants to dress well, everyone wants to pick their own colors and stuff like that. So I think fashion is just on its threshold right now. This has a lot to go.
Wonderful. That's a lovely way to put it. What now? Wedding season, festive season is here. So, what do you think is trending in India?
Textiles.
Textiles.
Textiles
Yes,
is trending.
absolutely. Textiles are trending, and for the festive season, the collection is going to be at the Swadesh store, which everyone in Hyderabad can
Should
get
come
their
and try.
hands on. Yeah,
Check it out.
Any particular colors that you would say that is this color season?
golds and
Golds,
silvers
off-whites,
and metallics, ivories.
I think we did a lot of metallics.
Yeah, we did a lot.
Perfect. And last question for you guys. Any particular thought for Hyderabadi audience, Hyderabad fashionistas?
I think they should come to Swadesh and try out the collection. Yes. Because I was blown when I walked in this store. I was like, oh, you'll have such a big store. You know?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank